Ndewonu. Asị m ndewonu. Ndewonu, achọrọ m ịnụ onye ọbụla ịsa m ihe m jụrụ. Ihe m kwuru, asị m ndewonu.
Oh.
Then you can say ndewo.
Ndewo.
Afa m bụ Ogochukwu Kwunet Ọhaya. Ihe anyị nwere ime n'ụbọchị taa wụ ihe a na-akpọ adjective. Adjective wụ ihe na-akọwa okwu. Adjectives na-akọwa okwu. So n'Igbo, adjective pụtara nkọwa okwu ọ nkọwa aha. So ihe adjective wụ na Igbo language. So abịa na the adjective anyị nwere. O nwere okwu ndị anyị ga-ekwu ga-egosi ihe ndị wụsị adjective. So adjective word ị ga-eji wee kọwaa ihe. Adjective describes noun. Okay? Now, when you come to the adjective, we have number one, something like colors. Okay? Something that will tell you, or maybe somebody walking slowly, but somebody walking fast. So, in his design, with email, bad. Somebody is bad, somebody is good. So coming to bad. Now it's a bad in Igbo is called ojo or ajo. Ojo mobo. Ajo. That's what the meaning of bad. Can you see the screen? Do you see the screen? Is it big enough or you want me to maximize it?
It's big enough.
So onye ọbụla ọ na-afụ ya? Onye ọbụla ọ na-afụ ya?
Ọ na-abụla na-afụ ya.
Ihe m jụrụ wụ, do you all see the screen? Means yes. Mba means no. Okay? All right. So bad wụ ọjọọ. And then coming to the bad, let's give example here. Ojo, he is a bad man. Now, this is how you say it in Igbo. Obo, nwoke, ojo. So let me make it big. Obo, nwoke, ojo. That's the meaning of he is a bad man.
Wait, it's Obo.
Yeah, I'm trying to maximize it. I'm coming back.
I didn't see it.
That's okay. I'll put it back again. Okay. Now you see it here now.
Yeah.
Obo, nwoke, ojo. You see that? He is a bad man. And now this is how you say it in Igbo. Obo, nwoke, ojo. A bad person means ajo mmadụ. Do you see what I'm saying? So let me put it on the second line. A bad person means ajo mmadụ. Now, if you want to make a sentence, and then Brian, I ask you, Uchenna, Njoge Sege, is your friend enyi gị ọ bụ ezigbo mmadụ? Is your friend a good person? Now, if you want to tell me that your friend is not a good person, enyi means friend. Now, if you want to tell me your friend is not a good person, that is your friend is a bad person. Say, enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. Enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. Let's write it. My friend is a bad person. Or you can also say, my friend is not a good person. That's another way to put it. My friend is a bad person is also means the sentence as my friend is not a good person. So in Igbo, it means enyi m bụ ajo. You can say ajo mmadụ. You see that? Or enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. Onye means person. Onye means person. Enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. That is the meaning of it. Enyi m bụ ajo mmadụ. Now we're done with that one. Do you see what I'm saying here? Everybody, do you understand what I'm saying? Or if you want to say that woman, that girl, that boy is not a good person or is a bad person. Nwaanyị ahụ, nwaanyị means a woman. Nwaanyị ahụ bụ onye ọjọọ. Nwoke ahụ, gịnị bụ nwoke? Gịnị bụ nwoke? Nwoke ahụ. Who will tell me what I mean by nwoke ahụ? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe wụ nwoke ahụ?
Afọ mbụ Brian Ohio.
Okay. Achọrọ m ka ị gwa m afọ Igbo. Afa gị bụ gịnị?
He is a bad man.
Brian, asị gị afa gị bụ gịnị?
Oh, afọ mbụ Brian Uchenna.
No, gwa m afọ Igbo gị. Uchenna, ọ bụ ya? Your Igbo name is Uchenna. Are you there? Is that how you answer in Igbo? How do you say yes in Igbo?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ngwa answer me. Gịnị wụ nwoke ahụ? Uchenna, gịnị bụ nwoke ahụ? Kwa ị chọrọ ịza ya?
I don't know.
Ifeoma, if you want to tell me, I don't know, tell me. Amaghị m ya. Can you say amaghị m ya?
Amaghị m ya.
Okay, it means I don't know it. Ifeoma ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Ifeoma. Eche m afọ m Ifeoma online. Kedu ebe ọ nọ? Ifeoma.
Ifeoma.
Wait. Okay. Kelechi. Gịnị bụ nwoke ahụ? Gịnị bụ nwoke ahụ? Gịnị bụ nwoke, Kelechi?
Man.
Boy. Oh, a man, a male person, okay. When I say nwoke ahụ, what is ahụ? That man, okay? So that man, so nwoke, or you can say nwoke, this man, nwoke is this man, nwoke ahụ, that man, okay? So when you say nwoke ahụ bụ onye ọjọọ, it means that man is a bad person. That man is a bad person. It means that man is not a good person. So bad means ọjọọ. Nwoke ahụ. This woman is a good person. But we are not doing good now. We are saying bad. When you're trying to say somebody is not a good person, that person is bad. That's what we're focusing on. So several ways you can use the word. He's a bad man. Ọ bụ nwoke ọjọọ. A bad person. Ajọ mmadụ or ọ bụ ajọ nwoke. See that? Ọ bụ ajọ nwanyị. Ọ bụ ajọ enyi. Enyi means a friend. You see that? So now my friend is a bad person. Enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. You try to tell us that your friend is not a good person. Enyi m bụ onye ọjọọ. So bụ. Let me put this one. So what is enyi? What is enyi? I need somebody to open his or her mouth because I've been repeating this word.
Friend.
Gịnị bụ enyi? What is it called in Oyibo?
Friend. Is it not friend?
Friend, you have to speak up. Onye na-ekwu, ị ga-akọwa afa gị. Kedu onye na-ekwu?
Ifeoma.
Okay. Now, Ifeoma, achọrọ m ka ị kwuo ijiri ajọ or ọjọọ kwuoro anyị okwu. Make a sentence with bad, which is ọjọọ or ajọ. When you want to say that somebody is not a good person. So I want you to use plural now. We've been using singular.
Han chabu madu ajo.
No, remove, let ajo comes before mother.
Han chabu ajo madu.
There you go. That is good, Ifeoma. Hancha bụ ajọ mmadụ. Kedu onye ọzọ? Ife nlota. Achọrọ m ka I jiri ajọ or ọjọọ kwuoro anyị okwu. Plural. I need plural. I don't need singular. Ifeoma sị, ha ncha bụ ajọ mmadụ. Ha ncha bụ ajọ mmadụ. Ha ncha bụ ajọ mmadụ. I need to punctuate it. Ife nlota, aka m na-echekwa ka I kwuoro anyị okwu with ajọ ọkwanụ ọjọọ. Ife nlota, nụrụ ihe m na-ekwu? Ife nlota, I need you to unmute yourself and answer me. If you don't talk, then I will know you just put on your computer or your phone, but you are not in the class. If you are in the class, you have to respond to me. If you don't respond, then I will take you out and know that you are not in the class.
Nwanne m nwaanyị bụ ajọ mmadụ.
Ị ga-akọwa onye bụ. Ị ga-akọwara anyị onye bụ.
Abụ m ife nlota.
Okay, abụ m ife nlota.
Nwanne m nwaanyị bụ ajọ mmadụ.
Good. Nwanne m nwaanyị bụ ajọ mmadụ. It means my sister is a bad person. Now we need to use ọjọọ. Ọjọọ because it is the sentence, but you got it. Good job. Fenlota, you got it. Achọrọ m ka I use ọjọọ because that is sentence so that you know how to use it. Just the same way. But you see example I gave up there. He is a bad man. Ọ bụ nwoke ọjọọ. Or ọ bụ ajọ nwoke. Or ajọ mmadụ. So I need somebody else to use ọjọọ to make a sentence. Let me type it in the task. Nwanne m nwaanyị bụ ajọ mmadụ. Okay. Kelechi, ọ nọ ebe a? Kelechi, achọrọ m ka I yuzuo ajọ ọjọọ kwuoro anyị okwu.
Wait, which one do you want me to use?
Ọjọọ, number one, bad. That's what we are doing.
Nwa nwoke bụ ọjọọ.
Nwa nwoke
bụ ọjọọ.
You are missing something. Nwa nwoke bụ onye ọjọọ. Bụ onye, it means person. You have to use it. Nwa nwoke bụ onye ọjọọ. Okay, Kelechi, you got it? Kelechi is nwa m nwoke bụ onye ọjọọ. Good. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-enye anyị ihe? Ọ bụrụ na onwe onye ọzọ ka anyị gawa n'ihu. But all of you got it. That is good. So ajọ and ọjọọ, they are the same thing. They are not different. You can use both of them, whichever one is comfortable for you. But I need you to know all this. Nwa nwoke bụ onye ọjọọ means my son. My son is a bad person. Okay, I believe you guys got it now. And make sure you use the word, because if you don't use it, you forget it. At least you know the meaning of ajo. Ojo is the meaning of bad. Okay, it means bad. Okay, so I need to punctuate this. Ojo bụ onye ọjọọ. Okay. Nwa nwoke. Okay. All right, so we're moving on to number 2. Big. Something that is big. It's a big thing. Okay, big. Look at that. It means uku. All the uku, it is big. All the uku, it is big. It is big means odi ukwu. Okay, anybody to give us an example with big? I need you to interact because I won't be the only one talking. I need you to also say something that will help me know that you know what you're understanding what I'm saying. One okay. That one, I like the way you use it. One and one. Hancha, that is good. But even Lota, remember what I said before, you and Kelechi, we're supposed to use plural, but that's okay. You made a correct sentence there. But plural, we're supposed to say, okay, hancha bu ndojo. Hanile bu ajo mother. You see, so all these are plurals. Anyị niile when you're using other than singular, okay? All right, so it is big. Ọ dị ukwu. It means ọ. Okay? Ọ dị ukwu. Ọ dị ukwu means it is big. Okay, who will make a sentence for me? O nwere onye ga-eji amara anyị atụ? Give example means ịma atụ. Ịma atụ. We'll give an example. Okay, since nobody is talking, let me keep saying. Okay, you can say, my bag is big. See that? My bag is big. It means apa. Apa means bag. Apa means bag. Apa, whether it's a handbag or an ordinary big bag. Okay. Apam. Remember mine. Apam. That's why M is coming in. Apam di uku. There's another way to use uku. I'll add another word such as like ibu. Something that is big. Ibu. Somebody. He is so big. Oburu ibu. Oburu ibu. When you say oburu ibu, something, okay, this is so huge. It is huge. It is big. Okay? Oburu ibu. Now, let's use that one. Oburu ibu. O. Remember, we are using O. Oburu ibu. Oburu ibu. It means it is big. It is big. Okay? All right. All right, so I think we are moving on so that we can cover a lot of them. Okay, sheep. All right, sheep. Adigo okay, ono. Something that is not expensive. It is not expensive. It's very cheap. So you say adigo kono. Okay, my book is very cheap. My akwukwom adagi ono. Akwukwom adigo kono. All right, my book is very cheap. Akwụkwọ m adịghị oke ọnụ. All right. Akwụ. Need to put X marks. Akwụkwọ m adịghị ọnụ. It means my book is not expensive. I will say it differently. It means the sentence as well. Akwụkwọ m adịghị ọnụ. Akwụkwọ m adịghị ọnụ. Akwụkwọ m adịghị oke ọnụ. These are ways you can say it. Akwụkwọ means my book. Adage. Okay, on. It's not expensive. It's not costly. Okay. Okay, akwụkwọ adage. On. Or you can say, okay, on. Okay, on. That's another way to say it. Or you can say, adigi oke ọnụ. Okay. All right. Okay. My house is very cheap. Ụlọ m adaghi ọnụ. Ụlọ m adịghị oke ọnụ. Okay. You can say my shoes. My shoes. I got them. Okay, I got my shoes very cheap. I got it very just. It's maybe something that is on sale, and they got it very cheap. And you say, akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ means shoes. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ, shoes. Okay, my shoes. Shoes means akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ. That's how you say akpụkpọ ụkwụ. That's the meaning of shoes. I have to punctuate it. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ m adaghi ọnụ. No need repeating it. At least you know the meaning of it. Now we have something called clean. Clean, something that is very neat. It's ọcha. All the ọcha. My chair is very clean. All the ọcha. If you want to say somebody is light skinned, you can say, okay, she is very light skinned. All the ọcha, he's very light skinned. All the ọcha. Or you can say, my clothes is clean. Uwe m or akwa m dị ọcha. Akwa m dị ọcha. My clothes is clean. Akwa m dị ọcha. Okay. Akwa m dị ọcha means my clothes is clean. Okay, my clothes is clean. Okay, achọrọ m ka onye ọzọ kwuoro anyị okwu. Ọ ga-awụ sọ m ga na-ekwu. I need somebody to say something. Use ọcha to make a sentence. Somebody should do something here. Ikenna, my clothes is clean. And then the meaning of clean means ọcha, something that's very neat. Okay. Akwa m dị ọcha. Akwa m means my clothes. Can you use something else to make a sentence, Ikenna?
What do I have to make a sentence on?
Are you in this class, Ikenna? Yeah. I said ọcha. If you've been listening to me, I use ọcha means clean. And I gave the example there. Can you see the screen?
Oh, yeah.
My clothes is clean. And clothes means aqua or afe. You can say afem.
Okay.
Clothes is afem. Afe. Okay. Some people call it efe. Wait. 1 second. Wait. Okay, can number go on. Ikenna, go on. Ikenna n'ebe ahụ.
Wait, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me now. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Okay, achọrọ m ka ị kwuoro anyị okwu. Use ọcha to make a sentence.
Okay.
Ị ga-ebu ụzọ kwuo afa gị.
Afambo Ikenna.
Ikenna, go on.
Akwam de Ocha.
No, you can't use what I use. Use something
Oh.
else. We have 10 more minutes for this class.
I don't know.
Anom nebe, huh? Finish the sentence.
No, I said I don't know.
Okay, you can say, I thought you started by saying Anom. Now you can say, Anom no che di ocha. I'm sitting on a clean chair. Anom no lo di ocha. I'm in a house that is clean, or the house that is white. So all these things, you have to learn how to use these things. Because you've done adverb, you've done verb, you've done noun, pronoun, preposition. So you need to know how to put all these things together.
Okay.
Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ike ịgwa anyị etu esi ekwu ya? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị etu esi ekwu ya? Onwe onye ọzọ nwere ike inye aka. Okay, we are going to move on. Oyi. Oyi means cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. I am feeling cold. I am cold. Or I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. Okay. So that's Saturday.
I can make another one using that word.
Okay, ngwa. Onye na-ekwu?
Afambo Ikenna.
Okay, Ikenna.
Oyi na ogo.
Okay, what do you want to say in English?
Oh.
Oyi means cold. I said I am feeling cold. It means oyi na-atụ m. Tell me that somebody else is feeling cold. Can you do that? Or you tell me these people are feeling cold. You can tell me that these people, or we, or them, or he or she, or it is feeling cold. So how do you say it in Igbo?
Onye na-atụ onye ọzọ.
Okay, oyi na-atụ onye ọzọ. Onye ka oyi na-atụ? Onye na-ekwu? Kedu onye na-ekwu? Anọ m ihe ikwu. Kedu onye na-ekwu nu? This is class. Okay, kwuo ya the right way.
Onye na-atụ onye
Ọ bụ
ọzọ.
Ifeoma na-ekwu. Ifeoma. This is how you introduce yourself. You have to do it every time you want to say something. Okay, complete your sentence.
Wait, which sentence? The one you want me to say right
Oyi.
now?
Yeah, you said Oyi na-atụ onye ọzọ. I said who? Yeah, even though it is right, but Oyi na-atụ onye ọzọ. Who is that person?
We don't, it doesn't have to be specific.
Okay, use a plural form.
Onye na-atụ ha.
Oyi na-atụ ha. Okay, now include yourself there.
Onye na-atụ anyị.
Okay, good. Oyi na-atụ anyị. So Ifeoma, you got it. Ifeoma, oyi na-atụ ha. They are feeling cold means oyi na-atụ ha. Oyi na-atụ ha. They are feeling cold. Oyi na-atụ anyị when she included herself. We are feeling cold. Okay? So that's right. Oyi na-atụ unu when you are not included. When you are looking at somebody and the group of people, direct talk, oyi na-atụ unu. You look at them, maybe they're shivering. I say, okay, oyi na-atụ unu. Okay? Or you say, okay, oyi na-atụ ya. Talking about another person. Oyi na-atụ ya. Okay? So, but if you want to say that the person is not feeling cold, oyi Anagi atoya. Oyi anagi atoya. That's another way to say it. Okay, so let's type it down. Type it so that everybody will see it. Oyi na atoha. Or oyi na atu anyị. Oyi na atoha means they are feeling cold. Okay, oyi na atu anyị. We are feeling cold. All right. We are feeling cold. All right, so we leave it there. Okay. We have dark. That something is very dark. Something is very dark. Means ochichiri is very dark outside. Ochichiri ahuola. Ochichiri means dark. It is dark outside. Okay. Ochichiri horo. It is dark outside. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ezi. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ezi. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ezi means it is dark outside. Okay. It is dark in that room. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. It is dark in that room. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. It means in the bedroom. Okay. So ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. It is dark in that room. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. N'ime ụlọ ahụ. Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. Come on, I'm trying to put a symbol, it's not taking it. Why? Ọchịchịrị gbara n'ime ụlọ ahụ. What is it? Ụlọ ahụ. That room. It is dark in that room. It is dark outside. It is dark in that room. Means sometimes you're scared, you don't want to get inside that room. And then try to tell your mom or dad or your siblings, oh, I can't go inside, it is dark. All right, so now we have less than 2 minutes to complete this class. Anybody with any question? We cannot finish today, but expect quiz next week. And then make sure you go over your quiz. You're supposed to have quiz today, but a quiz today, but I'll give you guys some time to go over it. Anybody with questions? Even if it's something that is outside the class today, the topic of what we did today, or whatever you want to do, you want to know in Igbo how to say it. Anyị ga-akwụsịzi ebe a taa. Izu ọzọ na-abịanụ, anyị ga-ebidokwa ebe anyị kwụsịrị gawa tupu anyị emechazie ihe a na-akpọ adjective, nkọwa okwu. Ngwanụ ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ, onye ọbụla n'ofuma. Ndewonu. Ndewonu.
Ndewo.
Ngwa ka ọ dị ka emesịa.
Yeah.